So when you're looking to do a post in your Lofty, you're going to come here to marketing, and this is for a single property squeeze page and take you to put on the MLS. You come to marketing and you go all the way to the bottom. You can either go to Social Studio if you want to do it this way, and then you're going to go right here at the top, create a post, or you can go to landing page on the left, and then you can go right here to feature a listing. Either way works. I'm going to make it simple and go to Social Studio, create a post, and I'm going to do right here a landing page or a listing. We'll go to listing. And then once we do listing, I'm going to do just a listing I have, and then it will pop up. And then once you click on it, you're going to say, great, I have it. It's an active listing. And then I will go right here to all listings because it's not my listing or my team, it's all listings. And then it's my listing, so I have permission. I'm going to hit next, and then it creates this link here. You're going to copy this link right here. You can copy the whole thing. So again, if you click in there and hit Control A or Command A with an apple, and then you copy this whole thing, then you go to Facebook. This is the easiest way to do it. Open up Facebook where it says like what's on your mind, or you can do this. This is my personal, but you can do it on your business. And then you can see again, it does a preview here. And I'm just clicking in here and doing Command A once I get inside of here. So it only copies all that. I'm going to delete it. So again, I took it, Command A, when it copied it, went in here, pasted it. It gave me a preview, highlighted everything, and deleted it. And then I'm going to say, check out this amazing home for sale near SeaWorld or something simple like that. And then I'm going to post it. And then once I post it that way and I get it in, I always like or love it. And then I'm going to go to share. Then I'm going to share it to a group. And then once I share it to a group, I'll go in here like San Antonio homes for sale or rent, for example. And then I'm going to post it and share it out there. And that's it. And then it's shared. You want to share again to 10 groups a day. And that's the simple, easy way to go ahead and do that.